Hello everyone. Today we again welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss two interesting and big opportunities and Ola electrical vehicles. Today Microsoft opportunity is SDE intern role, and in this you are also going to engage opportunity which is provided by Microsoft for 2022 batch. And when you talk about Ola, so Ola is going to provide you for research internship. It will be mainly 6 month internship, and we will see how you can apply and from where you can apply and what is the criteria and who all can apply for this internship and full-time role. Maybe it's also full-time role for some, not all for, but yeah, you will apply for full-time also after doing an internship in Ola or Microsoft. So let's see how you can apply and what is the process for applying in Microsoft and Ola as well. And also I will tell you some tips by which you can apply and your application will be selected by Microsoft or Ola. So let's start the video and understand how you can apply. First we are going to see there is a software engineer full-time opportunity that's provided by Microsoft. It's called Engage. Okay, so earlier Microsoft launched for second year student or third year students, but now it's for full-time opportunity, means final year students as well. Now let's understand how, what is the number and what you can do for this internship plus full-time role. So it says it's provided by Microsoft. As you all know, it's written about Microsoft here. So you all know about Microsoft. So we are not going to discuss about Microsoft. Let's discuss what your responsibility if you apply for this. So you will be at software engineer at the Microsoft. After that, there is some role and responsibility for you. So it says there are some more primary responsibility. First, planning. Second, understanding customer requirements. Assisting with project planning, scoping, and prioritization. Third, it's fourth. You can see providing estimates, identify task ownership. Means you have to do as your work is that. Okay, and also you have to go in design, creating simple, flexible, and comprehensive design for the project. And also you have to also understand providing and slotting design feedback. Means if you have done something, you also have to take feedback from the user, or you can say from the testing team who are in testing team. Okay, and also you have to try implementation of that code that you have written. Means writing quality code, not like something you have written. You should write good codes so that you can understand and everyone can understand, not only you. And when you talk about authoring validation tests, providing timely issue resolution. Means if you are given some project for 1 month, then you should provide within a month. You should not delay that. So let's understand now. The main part comes qualification. What is the eligibility criteria for which you can apply? First, they said BTech, MTech, MS degree only in computer science or related cognitive. Means CSIT. Mainly it says for India with minimum CGPA of 7.5. Means 7.5 should be there, otherwise your application will not considered by the Microsoft. And also there is no backlogs. Also said ability to write clean, well crafted code with an emphasis on quality, simplicity, and durability that we have already discussed. And also you have to understand, consider customer perspective. Means what customer thinks, you have to do on that perspective. Demonstrate the ability to deliver tasks on time, also exhibits the ability to adapt to change, provide estimates, author validation test. Means these things you have to understand. First, understand location where you have to work if you got selected. Hyderabad, Bangalore, Noida. So there are three locations that you have can work for Microsoft if you got selected. And it says like about Microsoft is equal opportunity, either you are a girl or a boy. And also here says benefits of perks listed may be depending on the nature of employment with Microsoft. Means the benefit that you are getting is depend upon your country and also about your work. If you got selected as junior developer or senior software engineer, so it's depend upon your role. Okay, and here you can also see there's some more benefits and perks. Industry leading healthcare insurance, or you can say given by the Microsoft. Giving programs, maybe sometime they also organize national international level programs, so you can be part of that. And also maternity and paternity leave. Means if you are becoming parents, so you can also take leave, that will be on paid leave. And also discount on products and services. They will also give products discounts on their products. And also saving and investment they provide for you. Educational resources provide for you. Opportunities to network and connect. Means they will provide you so many opportunities to connect with lots of people. Generous time away. Okay, and for here you can apply, just click on apply. First of all, also if you get referral, that will be great for applying. So you can search on LinkedIn or anywhere. If you know somebody who are working in Microsoft, so you can ask a referral from him or her. so that you can get a fixed interview call by applying through it. Fine. So now we are going to understand about Ola research internship. I'm going to large it. Yeah, now I guess you can see clearly. So the internship provided by is research intern, that is electric mobility. Okay, and the location you can see Udyog Vihar Phase 1 Gurgaon Corporate. Here it is key job description. Location Delhi NCR. Yeah, we already discussed. Position time full time for 6 months. Okay, so for 6 months you are going to work with Ola if you got selected in this. And also there's some key responsibility. It says you will be an integral part of the OMI team. Okay, that is Ola team, and business decision policy making means you also going to draft some policy making thing, and on the basis of Ola policies that they having. And also it says mobility in India means you should be connected in electric mobility in India elsewhere. And also your scope of work means what you are going to work on it. So it says conduct relevant social economic policy research on issues development around shared means you have to do research only. The topic will be provided by the Microsoft, sorry, not Microsoft, it's a Ola. Fine. So for Ola you are going to get so many opportunities by writing its research paper, or you can say not research paper, but yeah, you will going to research on a topic like they are mentioning socio-economic. So this is a topic. On this topic now you are going to take a research. Either it will be real based in research, or you can say from previous research you can uh, take it. And also you have to understand emerging trends in electric mobility means what are the trending trends using which are using by the like Tesla maybe, so also you started using electric car and electric mobile automobile things. Okay, so you have to also research on that. And also decarbonization of transport sector. What is decarbonization means you have to understand these also. So these are the terms that you have to understand. Support the team with background research means you have to support the team also. If the team is working on something, you have to do a small research on it. After that, you can go on it. When I talk about support the team in creating a robust database, you have to create a robust database. Robust means it should not be collapsed. It should work perfectly if any load is given to them. And also it says support the team in any other 2D activities means not only in work, you also support other day-to-day activities which is happening in the office, so that every team members can do their work perfectly. And also what are the required attributes and qualifications, this is the main part that everyone asks. So it says demonstrated exceptional ability to write complaint effectively means the strong data analytic skills you should have means something is there, so you should analyze it perfectly. And when we talk about the strong analytic research skills, so you have to also communicate complex concepts means you should not be in so hurry, you should do a small research about the thing that you have researched. Okay, then only you can put in some way. Highly organized and detailed organized thinker mean you should be a highly organized thinker, not only like you just think like that and you have to just do that. Now the main part comes. If you are interested, please mail two writing samples published or otherwise no longer than 500 each means you have to write two writing samples which is on not more than 1500 word each with along with a cover letter and your CV to this. Okay, so you should mail your mail paper and also to cover letter with this and this. And kindly specify your research intern area means you should specify your research intern area as well, in which field you are interested. So from here it says about Ola, so we all know about Ola. Okay, from here you just click on apply now. From here you can apply. Okay, after clicking here the comes form, first name, last name, mobile number, highest education, current last company, notice periods, current CTC, and from here you can select your resume. After that just submit on click. One more thing we have to see, like in here when you click on apply now, they will ask you so many things. First login, after that you have to do. So you can see first they have to log in, then you have to apply, but in research intern there is no concept of login. So guys, it's all for today. Make sure to subscribe the channel and also like the video and share with your friends so that everyone can apply for it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.